death of Amir Locke at the hands of Minneapolis police has also shined a spotlight on the use of no-knock warrants. On Friday, Mayor Jacob Frey issued a moratorium on the request and execution of no-knock warrants in the city, but it's led to more questions about the policy that was already thought to be in place. WCCO's Kirsten Mitchell explains.
3 days after Minneapolis police shot and killed Amir Locke during a no-knock warrant, Mayor Jacob Frey announced a temporary ban on the request and execution of no-knock warrants in the city. But there are exceptions if there's an imminent threat and it's approved by the police chief.
The tragedy of Breonna Taylor's killing has undoubtedly added to the collective consciousness of this particular issue.
In 2020, the city of Minneapolis revised its policy, requiring officers to announce their presence and purpose prior to entry during most no-knock warrants, something Interim Chief Amelia Huffman says officers did on Wednesday. It wasn't a ban, and like the new moratorium, had some exceptions. Attorney and political analyst Abu Amara says transparency is lacking.
If there are these narrow circumstances where no-knocks are going to take place, the public should be aware of what were the circumstances that gave rise to that decision.
Under state law, the chief of police or a designee and another superior officer must sign off on the no-knock warrant application before a judge can approve. It also limits the time of day it can be executed between the hours of 7 a.m. and 8 p.m. Locke was shot 12 minutes before that window. With the warrant still sealed, it's unclear the reasoning behind the timing.
Well, the statute that passed that really narrowed the circumstances for no-knock warrants has got some pretty big loopholes. And basically, if there's a determination made by a supervisor that you can really do it at any time, and you can kind of undermine the intent behind the legislation in the first place.
In a statement, Governor Tim Walz said in part, to ensure the safety of both residents and law enforcement, we need to make additional changes to police policies and practices regarding the execution of search warrants.
This could happen to any Minnesotan, and so I think we should all step back and ask ourselves, are these no-knock warrants serving the interest of the city, of the state, of the people of Minnesota?
In Minneapolis, Kirsten Mitchell, WCCO 4 News.
Tonight, we've learned Hennepin County Judge Peter Cahill is the judge who signed Wednesday's no-knock warrant. You'll remember he's the same judge who presided over the Derek Chauvin trial. As we've reported, sources tell us St. Paul police originally wanted a standard warrant, but they went back for a no-knock when Minneapolis police said that's the only way that they would help. The police union in Minneapolis released a new statement today expressing sympathy to the family and writing that no conclusion should be made until the investigation is complete. Coming up on